How to make a TikTok account with Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the reels. Then, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in, tap on the Edit Profile option. Here, you can make all the basic changes. Now tap on this option that says Link, and add a link to this account. Here, we're going to tap on this Add option just beside the Instagram application. After that, it will require you to log in with Instagram. So put in your Instagram login credentials. If you don't remember the password, just tap Login and it will send a link to reset your password. After you reset your password through the link, just put in the login information in this Instagram login page. So, by following these steps, you can make a TikTok account with Instagram.